Hello friends, Perseverance Rover captures image of Kodiak. This enhanced color image of Mars Jezero Crater was taken by Mastcam-Z instruments on board NASA's Perseverance Rover on 18th April 2021. The foreground flat-topped hill, informally named Kodiak, is 2.2 km from the rover and 820 feet wide. It exposed ancient layered rock that indicate gradual decomposition of segments in layer delta followed by floods. The color bands of the image has been processed to improve the visual contrast and accentuate color differences. The Mastcam-Z investigation is led and operated by Arizona State University in Tempe, working in collaboration with Malin Space Science Systems in San Diego. A key objective of Perseverance mission on Mars is astrobiology, including the search for signs of ancient microbial life. The rover will characterize the planet's geology and past climate, pave the way for human exploration of the red planet, and be the first mission to collect and cache Martian rock samples. Subsequent NASA missions, in cooperation with the European Space Agency, would send spacecraft to Mars to collect these sealed samples from the surface and return them to Earth for in-depth analysis.